Slow dance, I wanna slow dance if you're feeling me now. If it's romance, if you're feeling.
Hello my dear family members, I just like to inform you that I am on the way to Shillong and I'm so excited and delighted to go back home after a long period of time staying in Mumbai. So currently I'm here in West Bengal waiting for the train to go from here. Having said that, I'd like to tell you something which is very important. As we have seen in the videos that some of our people, just in order to get popularity or well known in the society, they try to explore their identities, their own bodies. So one thing I like to tell is that do not explore your body to the world, because namar ba kamet ka phat jongi ka dei ka ba kordor tam ha kane ha pyrthei ni dere ban penji ya kinoru, because our body is the rare treasure and we should preserve it and we should not let anyone to see.
Girls, open the door na you. Malcolm or Mukhem? Yes, totally. Slow dance. And slow dance. If you're feeling me now. Kahpa. I just wanna live with you. Slow dance. Malcolm or Mukhem? So, ang adi open na close the door with phat. Have you had to show you?